In today's fast-paced digital world, laptops are indispensable for work, education, and entertainment. We rely on them for virtual meetings, writing reports, streaming movies, and staying connected with loved ones. The Acer A315-59 599C balances performance, reliability, and affordability. It offers a powerful processor, vibrant display, and ample storage at a budget-friendly price. The Acer A315-59 599C is a budget-friendly laptop that doesn't skimp on performance. It's powered by the Intel-registered trademark Core trademark i5-1235U processor, delivering impressive speed and efficiency. This processor handles everyday tasks with ease, from browsing to editing photos. With 10 cores and 12 threads, it can manage light video editing and casual gaming. Integrated Intel-registered trademark UHD graphics ensures smooth visuals for work and entertainment. 8 GB of DDR4 SRAM ensures smooth multitasking and fast application loading. A 512 GB SSD provides ample storage and rapid boot-up times. Running on Windows 11 Home, it offers a user-friendly interface and productivity features. At the heart of the Acer A315-59 599C lies the Intel-registered trademark Core trademark i5-1235U processor, a 12th-generation chip that delivers an impressive blend of performance and efficiency. Designed for work and leisure, it handles a wide range of tasks effortlessly. With 10 cores and 12 threads, multitasking is a breeze. Clock speeds reach up to 4.4 GHz with Intel-registered trademark Turbo Boost technology, ensuring power efficiency and extended battery life. Perfect for students and professionals on the go. The Acer A315-59 599C features a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920x1080 IPS display that brings your content to life with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. The Full HD resolution ensures sharp images and crisp text, making it ideal for everything from browsing the web and watching movies to working on documents and editing photos. The IPS, in-plane switching technology used in the display panel ensures wide viewing angles, so you can enjoy consistent image quality from almost any position. This is particularly useful for sharing presentations or watching movies with friends and family. The display also boasts excellent color reproduction, making images and videos appear more lifelike and engaging. Whether you're a movie buff who enjoys streaming the latest blockbusters, a gamer who appreciates immersive visuals, or a professional who works with graphics-intensive applications, the Acer A315-59 599C's display won't disappoint. The combination of Full HD resolution, IPS technology, and accurate color reproduction ensures a visually pleasing and immersive experience for all your computing needs. Section 5. The Memory Advantage. 8 GB, DDR4, SRAM for seamless multitasking. The Acer A315-59 599C comes equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 SRAM, providing ample memory for smooth multitasking and a seamless computing experience. DDR4. SRAM is a faster and more efficient type of memory compared to its predecessors, allowing for quicker data access and improved overall system performance. With 8 GB of RAM, you can effortlessly switch between multiple applications without experiencing any lag or slowdown. Whether you're browsing the web with numerous tabs open, working on a document while listening to music, or having a video call while checking emails, the Acer A315-59 599C can handle it all with ease. The ample RAM also contributes to faster application loading times, so you can spend less time waiting and more time getting things done. From launching demanding software to opening large files, the Acer A315-59 599C's 8 GB DDR4 SRAM ensures a responsive and efficient computing experience. Section 6. Speedy Storage. 512 GB SSD for fast boot-ups and data access. The Acer A315-59 599C features a spacious 512 GB solid-state drive. SSDs offer lightning-fast boot-up times, quicker application loading speeds, and faster data access. Say goodbye to long boot-up times and frustrating delays. The Acer A315-59 599C's 512 GB SSD ensures that your laptop is ready to go when you are. Section 7. Intel registered trademark UHD graphics, your gateway to entertainment and visuals. The Acer A315-59 599C is equipped with Intel registered trademark UHD graphics, an integrated graphics solution that delivers smooth visuals for everyday tasks and entertainment purposes. While not a dedicated graphics card, Intel registered trademark UHD graphics is more than capable of handling casual gaming, HD video playback, and basic photo editing. For casual gamers, Intel registered trademark UHD graphics can handle a variety of popular titles at low to medium settings, providing an enjoyable gaming experience without the need for a dedicated graphics card. The integrated graphics solution also supports DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.5, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of games and applications. Beyond gaming, Intel registered trademark UHD graphics excels in handling multimedia playback. You can enjoy smooth, stutter-free playback of your favorite movies and TV shows in high definition. The integrated graphics solution also provides a noticeable performance boost for everyday tasks like browsing the web, working on documents, and editing photos, making your overall computing experience more enjoyable. Section 8. Connectivity and ports. Stay connected with ease. The Acer A315-59 599C comes equipped with a variety of ports and connectivity options to keep you connected to your devices and the online world. The laptop features a built-in Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax adapter, providing fast and reliable wireless internet connectivity for seamless browsing, streaming, and downloading. For wired connections, the Acer A315-59 599C offers a gigabit Ethernet port, allowing you to connect to wired networks for even faster and more stable internet speeds. This is particularly useful for online gaming, video conferencing, and other activities that require a stable internet connection. The laptop also features a range of ports for connecting to external devices. You'll find one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and one USB 2.0 port, providing ample connectivity options for your peripherals, such as external hard drives, printers, and smartphones. Section 9. Design and durability. A laptop built to last. The Acer A315-59 599C sports a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and practical. The laptop's chassis is made of durable plastic, which helps keep the weight down without compromising on durability. The matte finish on the lid and keyboard deck resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping the laptop looking its best. The laptop's keyboard is designed for comfortable typing with well-spaced keys and a responsive touchpad. The keys offer decent travel and feedback, making it easy to type for extended periods without discomfort. The touchpad is spacious and supports multi-touch gestures, providing an intuitive and convenient way to navigate the operating system. The Acer A315-59 599C is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Its durable hinges ensure that the display stays firmly in place, even when the laptop is bumped or moved around. The laptop's overall build quality is solid, giving you confidence that it can handle the occasional bump or drop without issue. Section 10. Battery life and portability. Power through your day. The Acer A315-59 599C is designed for portability, weighing in at just under 4 pounds. Its slim profile and lightweight design make it easy to slip into a backpack or a carrying case, making it an ideal companion for students, professionals, and anyone who is always on the go. The laptop's battery life is impressive for a budget-friendly device. On a single charge, you can expect to get up to 7 hours of mixed usage, which includes browsing the web, working on documents, watching videos, and checking emails. This means you can leave your charger at home and power through a full day of work or school without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're commuting to work, attending classes, or working from a coffee shop, the Acer A315-59 599C's long battery life and portable design ensure that you can stay productive and entertained throughout the day without being tethered to an outlet. Section 11. Acer A315-59 599C, your ultimate budget-friendly companion. The Acer A315-59 599C is a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. It offers a great balance of performance, features, and affordability. With its powerful Intel-registered trademark Core trademark i5-1235U processor, vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD display, ample 8 GB of RAM, and spacious 512 GB SSD, the Acer A315-59 599C can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, streaming movies, or playing casual games, this laptop delivers a smooth and enjoyable computing experience.